Next day we started with fixing the roof on the main house. The heavy rain was expected within 2 days. I hope the last this summer. So we decided that it needs to be provisionally repaired. We want to prevent further damage because the main house will be renovated in totally different way than the small house we do right now. So we need it to stay in the best possible condition. Now you see the holes on the roof in the main house visible in our previous episodes, and this is the current look. The roof from outside looks like new. As a continuation of recent work, I must inform you that the drainage around the small house has been completed. The pit has been backfilled and the pipe is ready to connect with the rest of the drainage system. The next task for today is waiting for the delivery of stone to build the wall. Due to the construction, the road near small house is narrow, and to deliver heavy stone with big truck, you need patience and nerves of steel. Then the materials which has run out were delivered. As you can see, the house is in such a location that we deliver everything from above. It's always terrifying for me, but I know that the truck stays still no matter what. This was the status of the house in previous episode. Now we start to build the walls of the house. If you have a good eye, you see that in almost every brick, metal rod is put. This is one of couple of options how to protect the building from the earthquakes. Metal rods have the same effect as in a concrete wall. It provides additional strength for concrete or wall where it is needed. At the end, the bricks from outside will be covered with the stone that we recycled from this building. Thanks to that, we received the building looking like the traditional one. It's mandatory here. Of course, there are several exceptions, but to make it general, it's mandatory to make the renovated house look like before. And on this stage we have half of the bathroom and bedroom. It's time to check what's going on in the garden area. Maciek is using his upgraded machine. It works very well. He is able to do the stone wall on his own, doing almost everything from the digger. Unfortunately, as you've seen at the beginning of the video, the truck couldn't drive lower because of the narrow road. So we have to transport every stone from here. The stone wall won't be cemented, so the point is to match the stone perfectly. First, you put the big ones and after that matching the small one between them. If you like to stack the blocks, it's a job for you.